In this video, we learn how to backup your YouTube channel all videos. So first of all, open your favorite web browser and just search Takeout. Now sign in your Google account for Google Takeout. After sign in, you can download your data for all steps. Click on Select None. Now in the last you will see YouTube icon. Toggle into on position. Select Format. Include all your YouTube data, and if you want to, so you can select specific data. So in here you will find some other options and just click on next. Select file type as zip. Now select from in here archive size and click on create archive. So by this easy and simple method you can download your YouTube all data. I hope you like this video.